It looks like it's wearing a big hat.
I have seen that before. What?
Hornbills pick fruit with their beaks. After plucking the berry with its beak, the hornbill will toss it in the air to eat it.
Wow!
Hornbill beaks look bulky, but they're actually so nimble.
That's right. Their beaks are large but light. Bird beaks have strong keratin shells. A woodpecker uses its beak to break through. Geese's beaks have sharp, jagged edges. What are their functions? Choose them. Tearing apart plants. Match the birds with their beaks. Which of the following birds uses sticks and branches to catch worms? Shaped beaks are designed to tear prey on land. Flat beaks are designed to pull up waterweed from mud. Drag the birds that catch prey on land into the solid box, and the birds that eat aquatic plants into the dotted box.
Which one? This one? Oh, this one? And this one.